Hey guys, Shawn here with TDSJ. Today we're going to do a tent review on this 14-person, 4-room cabin tent. It has 4 divided rooms. It all divides up into 4 different rooms for privacy. It has a media pocket, a multi-gear pocket, and yeah, so we're just going to do an unboxing video first, and then we will get into the actual setup of the tent. And where did we got this at? Costco? Walmart. Oh, we bought this at Walmart.
Can you build that, Dad?
Yeah, you can help me build it when we're ready. Build it. Okay, so that's just a extender, another zipper. So in the carrying bag, you get a box, like any normal tent. The owner's manual, which I won't read because I'm a man. I'm sure my wife will read it, but I won't.
I will.
Oh, my daughter will read it.
Okay, help me to read it.
Then in the box,
Owner's manual. I like the color.
we have, here's the whole tent. So you got an individual bag for your poles, it looks like. Stakes to stake it down into the ground. Then your media packages or your media pocket for like a tablet, so you can put a tablet in there, watch movies. The computer won't fit in there, it's too small. And then an extra gear pouch for like flashlights, cell phones, wallets, stuff like that. That'll all go in there. And then there's also a rain cover, which is, I'm guessing is going to be this. That goes over the whole top, because the actual top of this tank is mesh. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop the camera. I'm going to start a timer on my tablet to see how long it's going to take us to set this up. It'll be the first time that we've done it. And then once it's all set up, we'll do a review of it when it's all set up and ready to go. And then I'll show you how long it took. And then we'll move on to another tent that I've got in another video. We'll go that route. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the whole tent put up. It took us about 40 minutes to set the whole thing up. We're not going to do the rain cover tonight. We'll just do that when we go back up there. We just don't feel the need. But it's actually separated a lot different than what I thought will go in. So each room has both a front and back entrance. There's my daughter Serenity. So she thinks this is going to be her room, but I'm sure she'll forget. So here's one pod, then there's another pod over there, and then the main entrance is over here. Nice big main entrance. There's my wife, Jessica. So this is the main entrance, and then you come in and it branches off to 3 different rooms. So you got a room here, a room here, and a room here. Yeah, just tell them.
You can put like 2 phones or an iPad or a tablet in it.
Yeah, so how many windows does your room have?
3.
2. So you got a door that has a window and then 2 side rooms. And then they all branch off and close out
That's nice.
into, so this is the main room of the tent. And then each of the other rooms zip up, so you have privacy on both sides. And then the rain cover will close off the entire top, which is open, which is nice.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, we just thought we'd show you that. We're going to take it down now and go that route, and we'll do the other tent. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh, grow it.